Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, General Technology Knowledge. Today I would like to show and share about how to connect the WinCC Explorer to PLC S7-200 Smart by using the LAN cable connect with the Profinet port of PLC S7-200 Smart. Okay. In this video, I will use CPU SR-30 and connect the LAN cable from Profinet port of PLC to the LAN port of my PC. And I will use 3 software together. Totally we have 4 software, but I just take 3 software. The first one is WinCC for create the screen SCADA, connect to the PLC to control the PLC. And the second one is step 7 MicroWin to create the project of PLC S7-200 Smart. And the third one is KepServer, KepServer version 6 for configuration or link from the OPC. Okay. And we have also used the S7 PCSS, one more software that I will show in the video if we go to create the project. Okay, so the concept is we would like to design the SCADA from the WinCC professional software and then control to the input and output of PLC. Okay, and we will go step by step and slowly for easy to understand, and everyone can follow me step by step also. Okay, so let's go to our software to create the sample project and then link control the PLC. Okay, so let's go. Okay, here is my software. So right now we will use SIMATIC Step 7 MicroWin Smart, WinCC Explorer, KepServer, and one more for S7 PCSS Smart. Okay, we need to use 4 software if we would like to link. Yes. Okay, so first let's go to create the project by using the Step 7 MicroWin Smart. Actually we use this one and then use this one and then use this one and finally use this one to create the project of SCADA. Okay, so first I will create a new folder for our project. I will put link link WinCC Explorer to PLC S7-200 Smart. Okay, and then let's open the Step 7 MicroWin Smart. Right now I use version 2.5. Yes. Okay, and first we need to set up the CPU setting. Yes, on my slide I use SR-30. Yes, so I will use double click on the CPU and then choose the SR-30 here, and then go to startup option. I will choose run because we need to run the CPU when we reboot the power or do something. Okay, when the power off and power on again, we will choose run to run the CPU. Okay, if we choose last or stop, the CPU will not run. Yes, For this section, I already explained in the previous video. So I will choose run and then choose OK. And the second step, we need to check the communication between PLC and PC. Okay, so make sure our computer is automatically for IP address. Yes, let's check together. Okay, for my computer is automatically IP address for IP4. And then we can go to communication. Yes, make sure LAN cable was connected from our PC to the Profinet part of PLC. Okay, so let's go to communication, double click, and then choose the network adapter to correct network adapter. Right now I use Intel, yes, gigabit network connection here, TCP.IP, and we can also use the PPI cable. I will show in the next video about how to use the PPI. So in this lesson I will use LAN cable. So we choose LAN cable, and our PC will search and detect the CPU. Yes, right now it detects one CPU that has IP address 192.168.0.2. okay, so this is the IP address of PLC, so we need to remember this one also. Yeah, and then let's go to our computer IP address, set the manual IP address. I will set the manual IP address because we need to use with the KepServer configuration. Yes, so PLC is 192.168.0.2. So I will put my computer IP address is 192.168.0.253. Yes, example. And subject matter is 255.255.255.0. Yes, and then click OK. OK again. Close. And then we can click OK. Yes, so let's see here, connected with 192.168.0.2. it is the status that connected between our PC and PLC, and the PLC was run. Right now the status is run. Then we can go to create the sample logic to control from the WinCC Explorer. Yes, so first I will create the push button stuff. Yes, push button start and output. Yes, and I will hold the signal when we press from the WinCC Explorer. Yes, and then here I will choose M0.0, M0.1 for start, and this one I will use 0.0. Yes, and then here I will hold the signal by Q0.0. Yes, okay. So we can go to edit. Yes, the table, go here and double click on table 1. So this one I will put start M1. So start M1 is M0.1. So I will put M0.1. Start motor 1. And this one I will put stop M1. And the address is M0.0. So I will put M0.0. And command I will put stop motor 1 command, and and this one stop, sorry, start motor 1 command. Okay, and we can go to, okay, I will close this one first and zoom a little bit, and we can go to compile, and the symbol will automatically generate for us because we already put the symbol here. Yes, and this one we can also comment. Oh, there is no, cannot comment, right? Okay, no problem. So basically we can save the project. Yeah, I will save the project to desktop and then go to our folder that we already created. Okay, and this one example PLC Smart Project. Okay, and then we need to open, okay, save this one, and then I will close this one first. Okay, let's download the project to the PLC first. Okay, I will open again, and then we can communication again, find the CPU again, and it will detect, automatically detect. Okay, and then click OK, and then click download the logic to the CPU. Yes, or we can press Ctrl D, it means that download, or basically we can push here. Yes, push here or push here, the same. Okay, download, and I will stop the CPU and then run the CPU again, and we can online to test. Yeah, here we can online to test, and I will save and then close the step 7 MicroWin Smart first. Okay, and the second step I will open the S7-PC assessment. Yes, we need to install this software. Yeah, for software to use with the SCADA. So the second step I will open the S7-PC assessment. Yeah, it is the smart version. For S7-200, yes, normal S7-200 PLC, we use S7-200 PC access. There is no smart, right? If we would like to use with the PLC smart, we must install the software S7-200 PC access smart. Okay. So let's run as administrator here, and then we can go to create the property, yes, of this one. Yes, I will choose the network interface card. Yeah, it is very important here, so we need to choose the correct network. So the network is Intel gigabit network connection, the same as the project that I already downloaded to the PLC by using the step 7 MicroWin Smart. Yes, so I will choose this connection. Yeah, TCP IP auto.1. Click OK. Yes, so it is very important. If we choose the wrong connection or wrong network, it will not work properly. Okay, so it's very important. And then I will import the PLC project from here to the S7 PCSS Smart. Yes, so I will import symbol, and then go to desktop, go to this folder, and then choose this project and open. Yes, so we will got the symbol that we already created here. Yes, actually if we choose, okay, I will close first, no need to save. If we choose another logic, yes, I will example another logic. We will got also. Example, we have M2, start M2, stop M2, right? Okay, so we will go step by step for easy to understand. Okay, I will choose M0.2 for stop M2, M0.3 for start, and Q0.1 for start M2. So hold by Q0.1, and the symbol we need to add more. So I will start M2, stop M2, and this one start M2 is M0.3, so M0.3, and this one M0.2, and for command we can copy from here, so change this one to 2, and this one stop M2, yes, and then we can compile, okay, and save the project, and we can download. Yeah, we need to choose the correct network adapter, so it's very important, and then we can download. Okay, can online to test to see the status here, yes, and then can save again and close. So I will open the PC access again. Okay, let's check here, make sure the network connection is correct, and then I will open or import the symbol again. Go to desktop, this folder, and open again. We will got like this. Okay, let's see for symbol that we already created, right? Yes. Okay, so we will got for symbol, yes. And we need to online, yes, so I will save this one first, yes, save, and then keep this option, this folder also, example PLC Smart PC access. Okay, okay, so the project was saved. Then we can online, yes, we can add the item here, and then we can test client status, yes, it's bad quality, right? So we need to choose this option. Okay, normally it should be good quality. It means that we can connect from the PLC with the PC access, right? So basically we can go here, property, and then find the CPU here. Okay, and then it detects the CPU, and then click OK, and then we can try to test the client again. Yes, it will good quality, right? Let's see here, it is good quality, and then let's see input and output. I will add to this one also. I will add all like this, and we can see the status. Yes. Okay, let's see good quality status. So all here. System also can add. Okay, I will add all for system. Yes, add all for system. And then we can check. Okay, test with client again. Let's see here. The CPU also working. Yes, it is good quality. It means that the PC access can access to the PLC. Okay. So right now let's go to config the KepServer, right? So I will online this one first. You can also online this one after we save the configuration with the PC access. Okay, online. Let's see here, it's online condition, and then we can go to KepServer access or configuration with the PC access here. Yes. Okay. Then we can go here, run as administrator. And then let's choose the new project here. Okay, yes, update. And then we need to choose the new connectivity, right? It means that connect from KepServer to the PC access. Yes. If we choose directly, if I choose directly, let me show. I will open the WinCC project and then create a new project and choose directly. I will show choose directly. We cannot find the server from the PC access, right? Although this good quality, but we cannot control directly from the WinCC to PC access. So I will create the new project of WinCC. I will put PLC Smart with WinCC Internet Explorer, and then choose the folder that we already created here, and then click create. I will show to everyone. That's why I use one more software, KepServer. Yes, because I cannot link directly from the WinCC OPC to PC access. Okay, and then let's go to Take Management. Open Take Management, and if I try to create the new driver OPC here, yes, and then I try to access directly from the OPC of WinCC Explorer to directly to the PC access. Okay, I will show. Right now it's searching the computer or network or search the OPC connection. Okay, so wait a moment, it take time a little bit more. Okay, and then we can go to local. It will find all OPC server. Okay, and then right now I will use the S7-200 smart.opc server. Yes, browser server, and choose read access, write access. It means that choose all time, and then try to find the item. It means that find text, find some text. I cannot find the some text of the PC access here. Yes, so that's why I use one more software, KepServer. Yes. Okay, so right now we need to create the connection. So I will add new channel, and I will choose the channel with Siemens, right? Okay, Siemens TCP/IP Ethernet. Yes. Okay, choose here, and then go next. And this one, it is the specific the object name. It means that computer name, or we can put another name that we want. Example, my PC name. Yes. And for IP address, we need to choose the IP address that I already put here. Yes. We can also cmd IP config. Then this is a network card that we already put the manual. Yeah, here. Yes, we already put here 192.168.0.253. Yes. So I will put this one 192.168.0.253. It is the default connection. Yes. And then we can go to next, and I will write all value for all text. Yes. Next, this one we can choose default, and next. So this is a parameter that we already set. The name is my PC name, and this is a driver Siemens TCP/IP Ethernet. And for the diagnostic capture, I will choose enable. We can also choose here enable. Yes. And then choose the correct network adapter here. I already explained. Yes, the network adapter here. Yes, this one. And then we can click finish. Yes. And then we need to choose the PLC. Yes. So I will click here to add a device. So example, PLC S7-200 smart driver. And then choose next. And we need to choose the S7-200 here. Yes. S7-200. And then choose next. And here we need to put the IP address of PLC. So our IP address of PLC is 192.168.0.2. So I will put 192.168.0.2. Yes. And then choose next. And here we can choose default. And here we can choose default also. Next. Next. and here we need to choose default also. Next, this one also choose default, but this one I will revise a little bit with the number, example 1000, and this one I will choose 301. Yes, rack 0, slot 0, sorry, slot 2, choose next, and then next, and this is the summary that we already wizard or setting. Yes, and then click finish, and we need to add the text from the OPC or from the PC asset, right? So for start M1, I will put M0.1. So here we can go here, or we can right click here, new text. Yes, and then we can put start M1. Description example start motor 1 command, and address is M0.1, right? Here M0.1. Okay, and this one is boolean, right, for the data type, and we will choose read and write together. And for the new text, you can try stop M1. So stop motor 1 command, and for the address is M0.0, right? So I will put M0.0, and for the data type is boolean also, read write option, new text, start M2. So start motor 2 command, and for the address is M0.3. So I will put M0.3, and choose the boolean for the data type. And the last one is stop M1, stop M2, and the description is stop motor 2 command, and the address is M0.2, right? So I will put M0.2 and choose boolean. Yes, don't forget choose the boolean. Okay, and then I will create more for motor 1 status, and then status of motor 1, and then I will choose the address here. Actually we already wrote the program here, so choose 0.1. Okay, Q 0.1, 0.0, sorry, and then it is boolean also. And for motor M2 motor 2 status, this one should be status of motor 2, and then the address is Q0.1 right here. So I will put Q0.1 and don't forget choose boolean for data type. Okay, so that's all. And then we can go to property. Okay, enable. And then we can go to property here. Okay, make sure the IP address and connection is correct. And then we can check here by press quick client. And then we can go to see the status. Yes, it is good quality here. Let's see. Our text is good quality. Yes, it means that the communication between the KepServer and PC access is work perfectly. And then we can go to our WinCC. Yes. And then go to system parameter, and it will search the driver again, search the OPC again. Okay, so it take time a little bit more, so wait a moment. So it's very easy to link between the SCADA to PLC S7-200 Smart. Yes, so right now let's go to local. Click the local. Okay. And then don't go directly, right? So we will go to KepServer. Okay, and then choose browse server and choose all for read and write, and then choose next. Choose here, we will got my PC name, right? The connection that we create here, my PC name. So it will show on the WinCC Explorer Capwell. Yes, my PC. And then here is the device name. So we have 6-bit, and then we can select all. Yes, and then choose add item, choose yes, and then put the name of the connection here. Example, I will put PLC S7 Smart connection. Yes. Okay, and then choose here and click finish. So that's all. Close, exit, and we will got the text. Yeah, 6 text here. Okay, it's binary text. Yeah, automatically arranged for us. Yes, and then we can create the screen to control the PLC, right? So let's go to screen, new picture, and then rename. Example, screen 1 PLC Smart. Yes, and then we can go to open picture, and then we can create the start stop button to control the motor 1 and 2. Yes, okay. Okay, so right now the WinCC screen is already open. Then we can adjust the screen a little bit. Example, I will choose 500, 700, and this one should be 600. Yes, like this. And then I will choose the button, yeah, push button. It is the button start. So I will put start M1 or motor 1. And don't forget effect here. We can change the color. Yes. Okay, start M1. Okay. And then I will choose one more for stop M1. So we can duplicate. If we would like to copy, we can right click and then copy and paste, or we can just duplicate. We will got to copy also. Okay. So we can adjust. Actually, I can adjust this one a little bit to be 1000. Okay. And then I will change this one to stop motor 1. Change the color to be red, and this one I will change to blue. We have blue, right? Okay. And then I will copy. So duplicate for motor 2. It is just basic, yeah, design, the basic SCADA, so we can control from the WinCC professional. Yes. So I will choose this one, and then just change this one to stop M2. This one start M2. And let's go to insert the motor by go to control. And then choose Siemens HMI symbol library. Okay, we choose motor. So we can go to choose the motor by double click on the symbol, and we will got this motor. Okay, we can go to motor here. Okay, and we choose this one. Okay, and then duplicate for motor number 2, and we can align to be center together here. Yes. And then I will go to the text, static text, and this one should be M1, right? So motor 1, and then go to no, and go to style, go to font, change this one to center, change this one to middle. Yes, center. And then go to color, and I will change the background to be this color, and change the font size to be 36. Okay, and then we can duplicate for motor number 2. Motor number 2, and then we can align. Yes, and here we can also align. Yes. Okay, so it will center together. See, save. And then we need to configure the motor one stop, right? Button. Oh, we need to create the rectangle here. I will put the rectangle here to show the status of the motor. So don't forget, go to effects and then change this one to no. And background, when motor is not run, it will red. Duplicate one more for motor 2. Okay, we can also alignment. Yes, and we need to configure the motor stop, right? Button stop. So let's go to events, go to mouse, and then go to pre-select, go to content, and then put one, and choose the tag, yeah, from OPC connection here. So it will stop M1, right? Okay, and one more, when we release, it will 0, right? Set bit to 0 and choose the M1 stop also. Okay, because we already put here the whole signal, so we need to, when freeze it will on and release it will off. Okay, and then for start the same, go to events, go to mouse, and then freeze lab, right click, choose the direct connection, content to 1 for take start M1. Okay, and for the status we can go to property, go to color, and we need to configure the background color, right? So let's go to dynamic and then choose the tag here. So take motor M1 status. Okay, and we need to choose the boolean, and when the two are on I will change to green, and when off I will change to red, and then I will choose this one to upon change. Yes, to be flexible, follow our command. And for M2 we can also, actually we can copy and paste, but I will show step by step. So let's go to events, go to mouse again, choose the direct connection 1, choose the stop command for M2, right? This one, and then we can copy. Yes, and then go to release, go to 0, take, we can paste. Yes, and for the status we can go to background color, dynamic. Yes, choose the tag, choose the tag, choose the status of motor 2, choose boolean, change this one to green, and then choose the tag and choose the tag name, right? Choose the upon change. So that's all for configuration between the WinCC professional screens with the PLC. Okay, then we can save, and then we can go to WinCC, and then I will go to this one, property, go to property and change this one for graphic. I will start with the screen one here, and then choose the title, border, maximize, minimize, full screen, no need, scroll bar, status bar, and adapt picture. Okay, and let's see here, it will start the screen when we activate the WinCC Explorer. So right now I will activate the WinCC Explorer. So wait a moment for activating the WinCC Explorer, and we will test together. Okay. So it takes time a little bit more. Okay, finish. Not yet finished. Okay, finish. And then we can go to step 7, MicroWin Smart online. And then let's test together. Okay, I will open the screen of WinCC. And then if I push start M1, let's see, it works. And if we would like to go to check here, the command start, right? Command start M1, it should be 1, right? Command start M1. Output is turned on also. Yes, let's see here. So it worked perfectly. Yes. Okay, open again. And if I push stop, it will stop. Oh, this one, no release, right? Oh, it's not yet released. Okay, let me check the text again. It no release, right? Should be released this one. When I write off, try again. Okay, let's go to check the WinCC. This one, oh, this one when released, yes. We need to put the 0 and choose the text start, right? Start M1. And for this one, make sure it's correct. Stop M1. This one, stop M2. Okay. And this one, oh, there is no option, right? It is no option, right? Okay, so we need to put the option. So go to mouse, please choose one and take it start, right? Start M2. And when release 0 and choose start M2 also. Yes, and then try to save again and then run the screen again. Okay, and then let's try to stop again. Okay, good. Stop. Start. Okay, start this one. Stop this one. Yes. For this one, we need to change to upon chain. Yes, make sure we change to upon chain. Okay, good. Save again and then test again. And I will show the status of the PLC. Yes, when we push start and stop. Okay, so I will try to start M2. It work. Stop M2. It stop. Start M2. It start. And I will show the actual PLC. Okay, so right now the PLC is turned on for digital output Q0.0 and Q0.1. So if I try to stop M1, let's see, stop M2, stop, start M2, start M1, start. Okay, so it worked correctly between WinCC Explorer and PLC S7-200 Smart. Okay, so this is just example about how to link the data from the PLC S7-200 Smart to WinCC Explorer. If we would like to add more motor, example we have motor 3 and motor 4, we can also add. Yes, I will show. Okay, so we will add for motor 3, right? Okay, motor 3. So I will choose M0.4, M0.5, and then Q0.2, and then hold the signal, right? Hold the signal by Q0.2, and we need go to modify the table also, right? Okay, go to table here. So I will put start M3, and the address is M0.5, right? M0.5. So start motor 3 command, and then we can add one more. I will insert row. So stop M3, and then the address is M0.4, so M0.4. So stop motor 3 command, can compile, yes, and then we need to save and download to the CPU again. Okay, and then we can go to this one offline first. And then I need to import again, right? So I will delete this one first. Or we can update, yes. I will delete first, or we can update here. Actually, we can update here by create a new item, yes. Okay, I will delete the item and then copy, paste. So motor M3, stop M3, M0.4, right? Let's check again to confirm. stop in M0.4. Okay, stop M0.4. So let's add M0.4. Okay, so M0.4 and one more. So we can copy and paste for start M3, right? So start M3, M0.5. And for the command, we can refine here. M3, right? Okay, so that's all. Then we can save. And then we can delete item. And then we can add only this item for easy to monitor. Yes. Save again. And then we can test client status. Okay, good. And then we can go to KepServer again. Yes, because we need to add more, right? So I will add more text. So start M3. So start motor 3 command. And for the address is, yeah, we need to put the address the same here. Start M3 0.5. Yes, so M0.5. M0.5. And don't forget choose boolean. Yes. And stop command, right? Stop M3. Description is stop motor 3 command. And the address is M0.5, right? Oh, start M0.5, stop M0.4. M0.4. And then choose boolean. And for the start M0.5, start M0.5. Okay, correct. Okay, that's correct. And then we can test to see the status. It's good, right? Okay. And then we can go to OPC again to update our text. So we can go to system parameters. Because we need to update the text also, we just add more text for start and stop, right? Oh, actually we should have the motor status also. Copy and paste. So this one should be motor 3 status and Q0.2. Yes, all is good. Because we need to link from here. Q0.2, yes. Okay, we can online. Yes. and then we can go to take here, go to local again, yes, go to local and take time a little bit for search the OPC server. So KepServer again, go to browse, okay, next here, and we need to update the bit that we already created right here. So stop M3, start M3, M2, oh this one maybe I need to change a little bit, so wait a moment, change the name a little bit. This one should be here M3 like this to be the same, the M1, M2 and M3, and then you can go again, browse again, we will got this name, okay. So we choose only M1, M2, sorry, M3 also, add, finish, okay, and then we will got M3, okay, good. Then we can go to the WinCC screen again, yes, and then I will extend this one to be M3, so go to geometry, I will add one more, 1500, yes, and then we just copy here, duplicate, and then drag and drop here, okay, and this one should be M3, and change all text to be M3, so go to events, change to M3, M3, and this one also, okay, M3, and the status, go to property, color, and change to M3, and this one change to upon change, yes, and then we can save and activate the WinCC Explorer, and then we can test together, okay. Oh, we need to change this button also, button number 3, let me change to model 3, this one model 3, and then save again and activate again, run the screen again, so take time a little bit more, okay, finish, and then we can go to model 1, 2, 3, right, okay, we start model 1, yes, it run, model 2, it run, model 3, it run, okay, so it worked perfectly, yes, I will stop, oh stop, okay, stop, okay, so good, start again, stop, start, okay, and the PLC is work also, I will show the PLC. Okay, let's see the PLC is turned on 3 output. Q0.0, Q0.1 and Q0.2. Okay, so I will try to stop Q0.0, Q0.1, Q0.2. Yes, stop all. Start again. So it worked. So good. So this is just an example about how to link the SCADA WinCC Explorer to PLC control the PLC S7-200 Smart CPU SR-30. So I hope this video just example to everyone. If you would like to control the logic from the SCADA of WinCC Explorer, so we can try with the same as my video. I hope everyone can use it. So thank you very much for watching my video. If everyone have any question, please kindly drop comment under my video. I will reply soon. And I would like to request all of you, and I would like to say I'm sorry if I have mistake in this video, and I would like to request all of you to like, share and subscribe my video to get more notification and more new videos that I will create step by step. So in this time, I would like to say thank you very much again and see you next videos. Bye bye.